Welcome to Future Genie Academy.
Children aged 5 and up can join our program, which is structured into 9 progressive levels, each taking about 3 to 5 months to complete.
Okay, class, let's try moving 5 beads on the tens rod.
I did it, teacher!
Wonderful, you are all doing so well.
Excellent work, everyone! See how practicing with the abacus builds your confidence in math.
We did it!
The weekly plan includes 2 sessions, 1 hour each, priced affordably at just 700 rupees per month.
Weekly 3 sessions, 1 hour each, 1,000 per month.
Upon finishing each level, students will take an assessment and receive an ISO certified certificate with no
At FGA, no exam or ISO certification fee.
Up to 2 makeup sessions per month are allowed with prior notice.
Material cost is 500 rupees. The kit supports class and homework practice and includes a strong abacus tool.
Ensure your child arrives on time with their full kit and writing supplies.
Keep practicing consistently every day. That's how you unlock your full potential and reinforce everything you've learned.
FGA Abacus class attendance is required. As frequent absence may slow down student progress, consistency is key for success in this program.
Performance in math has really taken off this quarter. She is doing excellent work.
That's great to hear. We'll keep encouraging her at home.
Introducing FGA Abacus Practice, the fun way to boost speed, accuracy, and confidence.
Includes quizzes, weekly tests, monthly competitions, and detailed performance tracking, keeping parents informed and students motivated. Your engagement, feedback, and questions are crucial for the FGA Abacus program. We want to hear from you.
Excellent work, Future Genies! Your focus and visualization abilities are shining brightly today.
You are doing an amazing job with those equations.
I understand it now. Math is fun.